Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to uninstall Subway Surfers game. So let's get started. Begin by opening your settings on your mobile device. In the search bar, type in apps and perform your search. Now tap on apps. Then select Manage Apps option. In the search bar, type in Subway Surf and perform your search. Tap on it. Now at the bottom of your screen, you will be able to find Uninstall option. Tap on it. And if you are sure, tap on the OK button. And this is how you can uninstall Subway Surfers game. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.